GM and welcome to a new video. OpenSea 2.0 is live for everyone and OpenSea just announced the Sea token. What the speculations were true. Sea is coming, as you can see here in this post by the OpenSea Foundation. As always, all the links are down in the description, and while you're down there, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to not miss any upcoming airdrop videos. Here are a few things to know. What I want to do is go through this post and then directly go to the new OpenSea and show you what you can do to earn your experience points to then get the Sea airdrop. Historical OpenSea usage, not just recent activity, will be an important ingredient. So if you have been active on OpenSea, then you will get a retroactive reward, as they call it. Then the claim process will be simple and accessible. US users welcome. They wrote this in here because a site leaked where there was a very hard KYC and US users weren't allowed to claim the airdrop. That led to a lot of FUD, and then OpenSea said that this was not a real announcement or a real page. Probably this is why they put in US users welcome. We're focused on long-term sustainability and supporting a healthy, enduring community. No details on timing yet. We're taking the learnings from this space and getting it right. As always, only trust updates from OpenSea Foundation and OpenSea. This is important. There will be a lot of scammers and they always have this. This is the last tweet in this thread, and everything after that that looks like OpenSea Foundation is fake. So be careful. Now, what has changed? You can just go to OpenSea.io and then you can see the new beta version, or as they call it, OS 2. Here you can see OpenSea beta. You can log in with your wallet as always, and then you can see this experience part here. And if you click on it, then you see your wave 1 experience points. The beta experience points, I was part of the beta. I only collected 31 experience points there, but hey, I was part of it. I just did some listing of NFTs, none sold. So I guess that's fine with the 31 experience points there. Currently, I'm rank 1749 and my loyalty is at 100%. Now, let's take a look because they explain it very well. If you click on the experience points, how it works, rewards for your journey. Welcome to the next chapter of OpenSea. We're recognizing and rewarding both those who sailed with us and those who sail onward with us. Meaning, if you use OpenSea in the past, you will get rewarded. If you use OpenSea now in the new beta version, then you will also get rewarded. I already told you this, earn experience points. I think this is pretty straightforward. XP is the core of OS2 rewards. Earn XP by making competitive collection offers and listings on eligible collections. So we've seen this for Blur, for Magic Eden. Use the platform. If you do collection offers and listings, then you accumulate experience points. Then they have the shipments. Watch for surprise shipments of experience points. Actively engage with OS2 and follow the clues to increase your chance of earning shipments. So this kind of reminds me of the boxes that Blur had. So just use the platform, stay loyal, only list on OS and not on the other marketplaces. At least for the chains that they have integrated. What chains those are, I will go into this as the last part in this video. Then stay loyal, we talked about this. And retro, your past activity on OpenSea is important and our rewards program will reflect that. More will be revealed later, so we don't know which time frame, how much experience points, and so on and so on. And there's a disclaimer, if you try to trick the system, then they may deduct or reset your experience points for all the wallets that you did this with. Then we have this shipments tab here. Past, I didn't get any shipment so far. Stay active on OS2 and follow the clues above for a chance to receive surprise shipments of experience points. As soon as we find out what those clues might be, then I will do another video. This is the leaderboard, and then you can also scroll through the eligible collections. What I will do is I will just use OpenSea as I've used it in the past. I won't go in there and do any active farming. Most of the time that doesn't end well, so be careful what you do. But if you trade NFTs anyways, then you might as well do it on OpenSea to accumulate more experience points. And as a last part, let's click on the home button. We see all those different chains here that are now integrated. We have the ETH mainnet, we now have ApeChain as well, Arbitrum, Base, Barra Chain, Polygon, and if you click on the 3 dots, you see even more. There's 14 chains in there. What I'm kind of missing is Solana. For Magic Eden, we have Solana, also no ordinals here. So all still EVM based. Let's see if they change this in the future, because they're missing out on a huge part here. To wrap this up, just use OpenSea as you would any other NFT marketplace, and then you should accumulate experience points. That being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.